Hello everyone, welcome back to IT Master Tech News channel. Today I got the package from eBay for Galaxy Watch 5 Pro titanium, gray titanium edition, and as you can see this is a huge box which can fit like 5 of that watches. So it is what it is. This is a USPS first priority mail, and I got this package for 260 bucks. This watch is selling for $499 in Samsung, and on eBay you can find it 300, 320, but I got this very good deal. And let's open see if everything is correct, everything is listed in the eBay, and I got the real watch and not the something bad. Okay, let's get started. Let's move on and open the box. We will go it from here. Okay, black promising box coming out. Okay, so looks what it should be. Let's see if it is sealed. Yes, it is sealed. It has a writing Samsung Galaxy Titanium New. This seal is not broken as well. As you can see, it's in place. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS, and that is gray titanium. So it has some stickers which is usually I don't see, but this is not the US version, I think. That is international or something else, because I don't see any California warnings here. Okay, let's move and open it from this part to see if okay, let's go ahead and cut the seal. I got it in a titanium color because gray color, I don't want the titanium to be colored as different. Oh, this is the watch I actually wanted. Yeah, it's beautiful. You see the titanium color is very beautiful. And the Samsung buckle, this new buckle with the magnets, and this is also titanium, so it's still packed in. Okay, let's move on and let's see how it works. So it's opening from here. It's a very strong magnet, and as you can see here, writing is titanium. This type of buckles sell in the Samsung website for $79.99, and these are great. The color is great, touch is very nice. Okay, let's put it here and come back for this part. Okay, this is I think what we are aiming to have here is cable for charging and paperwork. Let's go forward. Yeah, this is a USB Type-C, and I think the other part is here. We have the Samsung quick start guide, and this is just the package contents and usual regular things. What else here? Because I can see something there as well. So a lot of other Samsung paperworks, and I think now it's empty. Now I can not see anything inside. And removing this, so we don't have Anything in the box? Yeah, that's it. Nothing. So let's try to see if there is any juice on it. Okay, Samsung. And I really like the titanium. And to be honest, the watch is looking way better. In the pictures it looks very ugly. In reality, it's very nice. And that will give you the feeling of your finger running on this and replacing the rotating bezel, which is not going to be there anymore. Samsung is totally get rid of this. As you can see, you can move it. Yeah, I think that's why this is not a US version. This is something that's sold in Korea, because you see English, Spanish, and Korean. There is no other languages here. Maybe if I click here, yeah, the more languages coming up, but the main language is shown here. So this watch is totally, now I can see it. It is from Korea. That's why it doesn't have California warning, and I get it for that price. I'm very happy because there is no difference. This is not a phone that can have some LTE bands version. So it is what it is. Let's try to adjust the buckle. Okay, so I have never used this type of buckles. I assume it goes here. Yes. So it goes here. You can put it like on your size. Small, medium. It's not large, but it's not small as well. So I need to move a bit further and try it again one more time. So okay, let's see how the buckle works. Oh, really nice. This is something that get you out from the everyday things, putting these other buckle types, the straps they have here, and it really nice. It sits really nice on my wrist. Please consider my wrist is counted as a small to medium. It's not counted as a large. So, but this one, which came default with this watch, I think this watch has the medium large buckle, which is kind of resizable, and that's how it looks like on the wrist. I think it's better to have the titanium. This is my opinion, and I ordered some other straps. I will let you know once they come, and also I will use it for a week with all of its functionalities, and then I come back to you shortly. This is it, guys. Stay well, stay cool. See you in the next one.